Imagine a busy city. In the middle of it all is a main control center, managing everything the city does. This is a lot like the nucleus of a cell. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, just like the city's command center. It's a small, round part found in most living cells. The nucleus is super important. It holds the cell's genetic material. This material is called DNA. DNA has the instructions for everything the cell does. Without a nucleus, the cell wouldn't know what to do. It wouldn't be able to grow or make more cells. The nucleus is really important for life itself. Think of it like a library. The nucleus holds all the information the cell needs, just like a library holds books. This information is stored as DNA. The nucleus is surrounded by a special skin. This skin is called the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope acts like a protective wall. It keeps the DNA safe inside. The nuclear envelope has 2 layers. These layers are like walls. They control what goes into and out of the nucleus. Imagine a castle with a moat and a drawbridge. The nuclear envelope is like the moat and drawbridge, protecting the valuable DNA inside. Inside the nuclear envelope is a jelly-like substance. This substance is called nucleoplasm. It fills up the space inside the nucleus. Nucleoplasm is like the cytoplasm found outside the nucleus. It's a busy place where lots of important things happen. It helps protect the things inside the nucleus. Think of the nucleoplasm like a swimming pool. The nucleolus and chromatin are like floats in the pool, floating in the nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleus, there's a dense, round thing called the nucleolus. Don't mix it up with the nucleus itself. The nucleolus is like a factory inside the nucleus. Its main job is to make ribosomes. Ribosomes are like tiny machines. They build proteins, which are essential for almost everything the cell does. Imagine a bakery in a busy city. The nucleolus is like that bakery, making ribosomes, which are like little ovens that bake proteins for the cell. Section 5. Chromatin, the DNA blueprint. The nucleus contains DNA. DNA holds the cell's genetic information. This information is organized into long strands called chromatin. Chromatin is like a tangled-up ball of yarn. It's made of DNA, wrapped around proteins. This helps keep the DNA organized and neat. If you stretched out all the DNA in a single human cell, it would be about 6 feet long. Chromatin helps fit all that DNA into the tiny nucleus. Section 6. Chromosomes package DNA. When a cell is ready to divide, the chromatin gets packed together. It makes tightly packed structures called chromosomes. Chromosomes are like organized bundles of DNA. Each chromosome contains a full set of genetic instructions. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Think of chromosomes like suitcases. When it's time for the cell to divide, it packs its DNA into these suitcases to make sure everything is organized for the trip. Section 7. Nucleopores, gateways of the nucleus. The nuclear envelope has tiny holes. These holes are called nucleopores. They act like gateways, controlling what goes into and out of the nucleus. Nucleopores are important for communication. They let messages travel between the nucleus and the rest of the cell. Imagine a busy city with checkpoints. Nucleopores are like these checkpoints, regulating the flow of molecules into and out of the nucleus. Section 8. The nucleus in action, DNA replication. One of the most important jobs of the nucleus is DNA replication. This is how DNA gets copied. DNA replication happens before a cell divides. It makes sure each new cell gets a full set of genetic instructions. Think of DNA replication like making a copy of a blueprint. Before a cell divides, it makes a copy of its DNA so each new cell has all the right plans. Section 9. The importance of understanding the nucleus. Understanding the nucleus is really important for understanding how cells work. It helps us learn about lots of things from genetics to diseases. Scientists study the nucleus to learn about how cells grow and change. This can help us find new treatments for diseases like cancer. The nucleus is like the heart of the cell. By understanding how it works, we can understand life itself better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell button for updates.